Hi y'all, it's me. I am back with my second commissioned album. This one is for Grandma. So if you haven't seen the first one for the mama of the baby, you can check that link out down below in my description box. But anyhow, I followed Kristianne's tutorial on this particular album. It just was so cute. When I saw it, I thought this was perfect. So she shows you how to make the box and the book, so that's what I did. And I kind of did my own style of box because I put acetate on the top so that you could see right through into the album. I'll give you an overview first. This is the box, and I papered the whole bunch of it. And then on the front here I glued, well actually this star is cut out into the side, and then I backed it with this paper and then put enamel or diamond dots on the edges there. Anyhow, so I have some flowers that I made, a few stars, and when you open this up, I even did the interior of the lid. I covered all my areas that show. And here's the album itself, and I lined the inside of the bottom of the box too. So that is the box, and then this is the book itself. And this one, I think I didn't cut, of all the things I didn't cut a 4x4 picture, but you can slide one right down in there and have a picture of the baby right on the cover. I have used the same paper collection, Sweet Baby Boy by Echo Park, and I used some other coordinating papers here. It's just the frame, a little giraffe that matches the other album, and then when you open this up, you have a pocket on this side, and it has some journaling cards in there for her. And also, I have 1 through 12 in the month, so if she wanted to label her pictures along the way, she'd be able to do that. Here's a place for a photograph, so see if I can, and I left these open as well so the photo could slide under and you could journal on there as well. And then this opens up a place for a photograph. Here you can do some journaling, put a photographs in there. These little, I don't think I have it handy at the moment. It's a 2x2 that would fit really well there. And do I have it? Yes, I do, right here. Sorry. Little 2x2 photos could fit in there really nicely. And then same on this side, and a place for a larger photo here. And that repeats throughout the entire book, the way that it's laid out. So again, a photo here, little pictures here and on the interior, just a little tab there that she can write on, and the pictures can go here. This is for a larger photo, so that was that space here. Sorry. More photographs, then this page, and more photographs. And then this one opens up. This is magnetic, so it holds the cover. This is called a waterfall, same as the other one, for those in case Grandma sees this. And you can just lift this up and add photographs on either side of these as well. So you have a lot of places to put photos of your grandbaby. And then this just ties to close it. I'll do that really quickly if I can. You know how it goes when you try to do something on camera. And then again, it continues. So a place for a photo here, 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 and a big photo here. And then you simply put those back, put that over, and flop that back. And there you go. That is the second baby album that I have created for this commissioned project. So happy that I was able to do this, and I hope the recipient enjoys this as well. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.